Hello guys, this is Lamo Tech over here. Well, today I will be creating a simple website using only HTML and CSS. Okay, so over here, this is the interface of how our website looks like. This is the overview of how our website looks like. So let's get to the VS Code and let me show you how we implemented our codes. So this is the basic structure of an HTML file. So an HTML file is like the skeleton of a web page. It uses tags like HTML to organize content. So with the HTML, that's the root tag of the entire page. Everything else goes inside it. We have the open tag and the ending tag. Okay, or the open tag and the ending tag. So it's like the foundation of a house. And with the heading holds information about the page that isn't visible on the screen, like the title or links to styles. It's like the behind the scene info. Okay, so the title, it goes inside the head. It sets the text that appears in the browser tab or window title. Very important for users and search engines. So over here, our title, we name our title as the Ghana C2. So Ghana C2 is the title of our web page. With the link also it's also in the head, usually used to connect external files like the CSS styles. So our style CSS here, we are linking the style into our HTML document. Okay. So with the body is where all the visible content goes: text, images, links, videos, etc. This is what users actually see on the page. So the content organization tags here is also very important. So this helps divide the page into meaningful parts. This part called the semantic HTML. It gives meaning to the structure. So with the section, general container of a theme part of a page, like a chapter or a topic, it usually has a heading like the H1, the H2 inside it. So with the nav bar is for navigation links, like a menu bar. That's where we have the home, about, course, blog, etc. You can name it. So it tells browsers and screen readers this is the navigation area. Okay. So with the div is a generic division or box to group things together. No special meaning. Mostly used for layout or styling where nothing more specific fits. Okay. Now over here is the style.css, our file name for the scaling style sheet. So it's separate from the HTML. It controls how things look. As we have the colors, size, layout, font, etc. HTML is for structure, what it is. So the CSS is for the appearance, how it looks. Okay. So we set up our margin to be 0. The padding we also set it to be 0%. Now with the header over here, so we are in our body, we are going to set the style for our head over here. So with the mean height, we set it to 200 viewport height, the width to 100%, background image, linear gradients. So this is the color code. We also inserted the image. So this is the image for our background image. The background position, we are setting the position to be in the middle, that's the center. Setting the position to be in the center. The background side is to cover all the image. Position is to remove the visibility. With the nav section, there will display flex adding 2% and 6%. Justify content space between align items to the center. With the nav, the logo span. So what the logo is, see how we are hovering the logo. So this is the logo. Okay, so it to be this. The font size, we have the 2em. Font weight, we have the bold. It's transform, we have the uppercase. Letter spacing, we have the 2 pixel. Cursor, we have pointer. Transaction 0.6 is. Background color, we have white. Padding, we have 5 pixels and 10 pixels. Radius, we have 7 pixels. Shadow, we have then 4 pixels, 6 pixels. We also have some color. Let me show you how. So this is the logo that we were talking about. Okay, this is the logo that we were talking about. Let's get to it. With the now slope and hover. Hovering is like it will make the logo, see how it is changing the colors. That's how the hover means. Okay, so we set the color to be red. This is the color code. The text decoration underline transition, that's the 0.6 is. Without wasting your time over here, let me just flip and show you how we coded the style. Okay, so this is how, without wasting much time. Yeah, so you just have to know this. So this is how it goes. Okay,